Hi everyone, today I would like to show you how to set up the shortcut to access your remote computer without constantly typing in your username, IP address, and the password. So if you haven't ever done any SSH process before, the computer probably have already generated a hidden folder called .ssh in your home directory, as is shown here. If you don't, you can always do make dir and .ssh and take care of that. So once you have the folder, cd into the folder. The first thing we are going to do is to create a key pair between your private computer and your remote computer. This will take over the role of password. So to do this, you use keygen with the encryption type of RSA and give a tag. Just use test here, but you can enter anything you want. And I'll just save it as test underscore key underneath the hidden folder. Passphrase can increase the security, but it's optional. And now let's take a look at what's the files that's generated. So we have test underscore key. This is actually your private key for your computer, for your private computer. And the .pub file is the public key for your remote computer. It's also the file that you have to send over into your remote machine. And this process can be done in many different ways. And we are going to set up the shortcut first and send it over. So to set up the shortcut file is a file called config, lives under the .ssh file, .ssh folder. If you don't have this file, you can just use vi config. And I have a simple example here. I'll just show you. So the first line is the host, which is the shortcut name. In this case, is HPC. And the user is your username of the account that's on your remote computer. And the host name is the remote IP address or the domain address. And finally, the identity file is the private key just generated for your own computer with the pathway as home and .ssh. And once you finish editing this file, you can just save it as a .config. And then now we can try to transfer the pub key file information into the remote computer HPC with the shortcut. Put it into the file called authorizer the keys under the hidden .ssh folder on your remote computer. And for the last time, you will have to enter your password, or one more last time. Okay, now we can give it a try.